Bracelets and freezy parents. Okay, so we're going to work around all the glitches. Don't know what's going on. Also, one of the things that took forever this morning is had a Windows date, so that took forever. Anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to find a workaround for these links that are not going to the right that are struggling. One way that we can do it. Thank you, who emailed me. Remind me. There are ways to get around these things. Instead of getting stuck in the pit, stuck in the pit. It happens to me. Whenever I get frustrated, so you can. I am in math week 3, day 3 of the student view. Teams, and so you can click on this and put in OneNote or OneNote online, because some of you have downloaded OneNote, so you need to open it in OneNote online. That way, and if it doesn't work, there's also another way up here where it says class book. Excuse me. No. Climbing the walls. Literally climbing. Okay. You can click class notebook. Okay, it comes up to a blank page in your student notebook. It's attached to our Teams. You click on this little arrow and look at all this. And there's my Sophie. So it will say Yang. Can you hear him climbing the walls? It's a little crazy. Yeah. No, he's chasing his tail. Okay, I am back on task. Down to the coding task, you would he's literally chasing. You would click on week 3, day 3. This is actually linked to your Team's assignment, so you can type it. This is where it's supposed to take you. The link is the link, sorry, but it takes you to this page. So you have your notes and yours in on this page, just like you would on the link. And then the difference is that you have to go back to assignments and tell it to submit, for it to pop into the notebook so that I know that I need to check. So after you do activities, and guess what? If you want to see a bigger page, you click Expand tab. It up for you. And if you want to get rid of the menus, you can click on that, and it makes it really big for you so that you can see everything that you need to see. And then all you have to do is get smaller again, go back to assignments, click on Math 3, Day 3, and tell it to turn in. Ooh, that with freckles. There we go. Okay, so there you go. It'll to me, and I'll be able to check it. So guess what? We found another workaround. Thank you, parents, for your feedback, and you guys have a great day.